Welcome you all to Think Maths. So this is class 10 Maths chapter 4 quadratic equations. In this session we are going to discuss about the general form of a quadratic equation and examples 1 and 2. So what is a quadratic equation? So a quadratic equation will be of the form ax square plus bx plus c. This a, b and c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. So why a should not be equal to 0? Because if a is 0, then x square term will be cancelled. So this will be bx plus c, that is degree 1. So quadratic means its degree should be 2. So that is here degree is 2. So the highest power is called the degree. So here the highest power is 2. So this equation is the general form of a quadratic equation where x are all variables. Okay. So for example, we can write the quadratic equation as 2x square plus 3x plus 9. So this is a quadratic equation. So it is called standard form. Standard form means degree, that is power should be in descending order. 2, 1, 0. So the power should be in the descending order. Suppose if this equation is given as of the form 3x plus 7x square plus 5. So this is not standard form. So this is not in descending order. That is, the power is not in descending order. So we should convert it to standard form. That is, first power, it should be 2. 7x square. Next is 1. That is 3x plus 5. So it has no power. That is 0. X power 0 is 1. So we can write it as 5. So this is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Quadratic means degree should be 2. Okay. So we will go into the example problems. First we have to represent the following situation mathematically. So this is example 1. In example 1, first part. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. So they all together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. And the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. So we would like to find how many marbles they had to start with. Usually we will assume the question. So what is the question? We have to find how many marbles. So let us assume the number of marbles John had as x. So we can write the solution as such. That is, let the number of marbles John had. So John had be x. So John had x marbles. So total marble is 45. So if John had x marbles, the remaining marbles will be with Jivanti. So remaining marble means total marble minus x. So in the same way, the number of marbles Jivanti had is 45 minus x. So if you add both this, x plus 45 minus x, this a plus x and minus x will get cancelled. So total marble will be 45, which is given. Okay. So next, both of them lost 5 marbles each. So both of them lost 5 marbles. So when they lose 5 marbles, then total marble will be lesser than 5. That is x minus 5. Therefore, number of marbles John had is x minus 5. In the same way, number of marbles Jivanti had will be, so totally he had 45 minus x. He lost 5 marbles. So we have to subtract 5. So 45 minus 5 is 40. So 40 minus x. So next what they gave, and the product of the number of marbles. Product means multiplication. They now have is 124. So after losing 5 marbles, their product x minus 5 into 40 minus x is 124. So we have to multiply this. First we are going to multiply with 40. So x into 40 is 40x minus 5 into 40. So 5 4s are 20. You have to add this 0. So minus 200. Next we have to multiply with minus x. So minus x into x is minus x square. So next minus 5 into minus 6. Minus into minus is plus. So 5 into x is 5x equal to 124. So we will write the first x square term. Square term has negative. So minus x square. Next x term 40x plus 5x. So 40 plus 5 is 45. So 45x and the constant term here minus 200. If we bring this 124 to LHS plus 124 will become minus 124 which is equal to 0. So we will get minus x square plus 45x. So if we add this, because both are in negative, you should put a minus sign and add the equation. So first add the ones place, 0 plus 4 is 4. Next tens place, 0 plus 2 is 2. Next 100th place, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 324 equal to 0. So as the coefficient x square has minus, we can multiply with minus. So if we multiply with minus, minus into minus, plus x square, plus into minus is minus, minus 45x. Here minus into minus is plus, plus 324 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation for this problem. So we can represent the given statement mathematically in quadratic equation. Okay. So if we solve this equation, we can find the value of x. That is what we call it as number of marbles John had. Okay. So we will discuss this later. Now we will go to the next example. So in example 1, we have the second part. So what does second part say? A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced in a day. So what is the question? We have to find the number of toys produced in a day. So let us assume the question. So let number of toys produced in a day be x. So this we will assume. So what is the saying? Cost of production of each toy. So cost of production of each toy. So what is the cost of production? They are saying was found to be 55 minus. So 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. So how much toys is produced in a day? X. So 55 minus x. So next, on a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. So total cost. So what do you mean by total cost? Number of toys into the cost of production of each toy. Okay, so number of toys is x. So production of cost of production of each toy is 55 minus x. So 55 minus x. Okay, so if the number of toys is 6 and if cost of production of each toy is 10 rupee, then we will say total cost is 6 into 10. In the same way, we are multiplying here. So total cost equal to x into 55 minus x. So what they gave, the total cost as 750. So given x into 55 minus x is 750. So multiply with this term by x. So x into 55 is 55x minus x into x is x square. This plus 750 will become minus 750. Okay. So when it is in addition or subtraction, signs will change when you change the sign. When it is in product or division, product will become division. Okay. And division will become multiplication. Or numerator will change to denominator or denominator will change to numerator. So when the sides are changed. Okay. So now coefficient of x square has negative term. So before that we will arrange in descending order of the powers. So minus x square. Next plus 55x minus 750 equal to 0. So next we are going to multiply by negative sign. So if you multiply by negative sign, minus into minus will be plus. So x square plus into minus is minus. So minus 55x minus into minus is plus. So plus 750 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation required for this problem. So if we solve this equation, we will find the number of toys produced in a day. So this will be discussed later in the second section. Okay, can you understand? Okay, so let me go to the next example. Example 2. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. So we have to simplify this and frame into one equation and check whether it is quadratic. So quadratic general form is a x square plus bx plus c. So this is the general form of a quadratic. So we have to compare the equation with this and check. So first of all, first problem is x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. So do you know the formula for a minus b the whole square? A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a is x square minus 2a. A is x, b is 2. Okay. Plus b square. B square means 2 square plus 1. Okay. Plus 1 equal to, on the other side we have 2x minus 3. Okay. So x square 2 into 2 4 minus 4x plus 2 square means 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1. This 2x is in plus sign. So when it comes to other side, it will be minus 2x. Minus 3 will become plus 3 equal to 0. So only one x square term. X square, x term minus 4x minus 2x. So both are in negative. So write the negative sign and add both the constants. 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 6x. Next add the constant term. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, it is 8. So plus 8 equal to 0. So if we compare with this equation, here it is ax square. So it is 1x square plus bx, that is minus 6x plus c. Constant is 8. So the quadratic equation form is satisfied. So this is a quadratic equation. Okay. So next problem, second problem, x into x plus 1 plus 8 equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. So multiply this term, we are multiplying x into x. So x into x is x square, x into 1 is x plus 8 equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. So x plus 2 into x minus 2 means a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So here a is x. So x square minus b. So what is b? B is 2. A plus b, a minus b. So b is 2. So 2 square. So x square plus x plus 8. So here it is plus x square. So it will become minus x square. This is minus 2 square will become plus 2 square, which is equal to 0. So what will happen? X square term is plus x square minus x square will get cancelled. So x term, x plus 8 and this plus 2 square is 4. So we will get x plus 12 equal to 0. So here the degree is 1. Okay, highest power is 1. So this equation is not a quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, the degree should be 2. So there is no x square term. So this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, understood? So next term, x into 2x plus 3 equal to x square plus 1. So multiply this. X into 2x is 2, x into x is x square. plus, so first write the constant 3, then x term plus 3x equal to x square plus 1. So 2x square plus 3x. So we are going to bring this to LHS. So plus x square will become minus x square plus 1 will become minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x square minus 1x square. So x square term constant you have to subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. That is x square plus 3x minus 1. Here instead of writing 1, you can write just as x square. So now compare this with this equation. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So this is a quadratic equation. Okay. So next to last problem of this session. X plus 2 whole cube equal to x cube minus 4. So what is a plus b whole cube? So a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So this is the general form. So here a is x. So x cube plus 3a square. So a square means x square b. b is 2 into 2 plus 3a. a is x. b square means 2 square plus b cube. b cube means 2 cube equal to x cube minus 4. So x cube plus 3 into 2 is 6. So 6x square plus here 2 square is 4. So 4 into 3, 12. 12x. Usually while writing equation, first write the number term. Okay. Then write the variable. Okay. So here the number term is 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 into 3, 12. So 12x plus 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 2 cube means you have to multiply 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. So plus 8. So next in RHS term it is x cube minus 4. We are going to bring this to LHS. So plus x cube will become minus x cube. Minus 4 will become plus 4, which is equal to 0. So this is plus x cube and this is minus x cube. Both gets cancelled. So what are the x square term? X square term is only 1. 6x square. Next x term is also only 1 plus 12x. And constant term is plus 8 plus 4. So it is 12. So this is a quadratic equation. So we can reduce this by dividing by 6. If you divide throughout the equation by 6, 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 1x square plus 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2x plus 12 divided by 6 is 2, which is equal to 0. So it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Okay, understood? I hope you can follow all the problems. So if you have any doubts, you can comment me. If you like the video, just share, like and subscribe. Also, I am taking online class for CBSE class 10 maths by NCERT pattern, by new NCERT pattern. If you want any details, you can mail me abarna.thinkmaths@gmail.com. Thank you. Thank you for watching.